Hello everyone, in this video I am going to represent you a fully customizable blog extension from Magento platform known as Blog Magento Extension. As you can see, this is the Pixlogix store from where you can buy the blog extension for Magento platform. Now click on the online demo and you will see two options. Let's move to the first option of front end demo. Now I am going to explain you the features and functionality of the front end of the Magento blog. As you can see the front end of the Magento blog extension, we have provided the functionality to represent the post either in the grid view or in the list view. Now let's move to the blog page. As you can see, you can include a featured image for a particular blog post along with the date on which it was posted, and can even specify the category in which it was posted, such as news, media, food, etc. You can include a post link through which users can click and access the whole post. You can include a short description below the featured image for a quick view of the post. You can access the whole post by clicking on Read More link. You can specify the name of the author of the post. You can view the number of comments on the blog assigned to the author name. Now let's move to the listing of the posts. As you can see, we have provided the functionality to search any post through keywords and view the post as shown in search result. You can specify the category in which the blog along with the number of post count in it, and user can directly access the post of a specific category. In the archive section, the post will be automatically listed month-wise. You can view the latest post and latest comment on the post from the recent post and recent comment section. Now let's move to the detail page of a particular blog post. You can see the post title, date on which the post was done, author name and number of comments on the post. You can represent a single featured image for the post and can include multiple images in between the post content. You can specify the category in which the post was listed and represent the tag keywords. You can share posts on various social networking platforms, and if the platform is not listed, you can manually type it and share. You can include author image with their name and a short bio of them. In the comment section, you can view number of comments along with the name of the person who posted the comment, date on which it was posted, and the description of the comment. You can even reply to a comment by clicking reply button. You can leave a comment by clicking on submit button. Once you install the Magento blog extension, you will have the access to the backend. As you can see in the backend admin panel, there is option for system and blog. Now first I will tell you how to customize Magento blog setting through global configuration. As you will click on the global configuration option, you will see many options. I will explain you what are they and how to set it up. You can enable and disable extension. You need to disable jQuery if it is already using jQuery library in current theme. Now let's move to the blog URL configuration. You can change the URL as per your need. You can enable and disable top and footer links. You can enable and disable breadcrumbs. You can set the blog layout in grid view or list view format as per your need. If you set the blog layout in grid format, then you can set number of grid as 2 columns, 3 columns and 4 columns. You can input the blog title as per your need. You can input the meta keywords and meta description as per your need. You can enable and disable canonical URL. Now let's move to the post configuration. You can set the size of the image. You can set the character limit for the description of the post. You can set post per page on list allowed values separated by commas. Now let's move to the post detail configuration. You can set size of post image size. You can enable and disable social share option. You can enable and disable author's info. You can set latest post widget on home page. You can set size of future post widget on home page. Now let's move to the sidebar configuration. You can enable and disable search functionality in sidebar. You can set search position in left, right or both sides. Similarly, you can enable and disable along with the setting for the position for categories, archives, recent posts, recent comments and tag clouds. You can display the number of archives, recent posts, recent comment as per you need, or you can leave the space empty to represent all. You can enable and disable comments as per you need. You can enable either default comment or Disqus comment. Now let's move to the blog option. As you will click on it, you will see a navigation menu. Select post from it. You will be redirected to a page from where you can access all information of the existing post and can create a new post by clicking on add post on the top right hand corner. Now I will tell you how to create a new post. As you click on the add post, you will be redirected to a post information where you need to input post title. A font URL key will be generated on the basis of the input title, or you can input it. You can enable and disable status of the post as per your need. Now let's move to the content option. As you can see, you need to input the description and short description of the post that you want to display in the front end. Now let's move to the association option. You can select or multi-select post category in which you want to represent the post. You can add multiple tags separated by commas. You can enable and disable comments. Now let's move to the general. You can choose the image and upload it which you want to represent in the post image. You can set the chosen post as featured post or not. You can set the date on which you want to publish the post. You can choose the author of the post from the list. Now let's move to the design. You can set page layout as empty, 1 column, 2 column with left sidebar, 2 column with right sidebar and 3 columns. You can do custom layout update as per your need. Now let's move to the metadata. You can set meta title, meta keyword and meta description as per the maximum character limit set in the text area. In the similar pattern, you can create new categories, tags and authors. You can import and export files in the provided sample download.csv format. Now I will tell you how to add a widget. You can insert a widget by inserting the shown link and method. Now I will tell you the benefits of the blog extension that you won't be able to get in any other Magento blog extension. It is a fully customizable extension that will adjust as per your need. It doesn't allow duplicate URL because of the use of canonical URL. It comes with both grid and list layout. It comes with latest post widget and future post widget. It comes with 2 options for comments, default and Disqus comment. It comes with 2 options for import and exporting file in the mentioned format easily. You can update custom layout as per your need both in category and posts. It comes with blog title, meta keyword and meta description. You can buy blog extension for Magento from our store in the website www.pixlogix.com. Thank you.